Otumfuo in London. Wow! Eja odonkwa one on my penny dada John Kuffour. The gentle Jack. Who saw on also with me PMO. Brother Ken was hosted to a private dinner at the Athenaeum at London. Now yes, a private dinner. Camera don't even go inside. Penning for the penning for common. Name on the streets of London. You will see what a shit. What they are tofu. John Kuffour on my penny dada to be PMO. The welcoming was also on point. You better go ahead that short video no. Now who was again? Updates now the back from Asante ma meni jihu. Ebinom so am again. Na ewa. Won say ebinom say omu hu de Asante hene and the Asante hene Otumfuo Osei Tutu II. Oh yeah, K1ng Ghana. Edia na hu hia. Say that update ni ba na obi anso timi hu the Asante hene ma Ghana true the agro ecom. Otumfuo agro ecom no de aba no. Any the Otumfuo foundation. K1ng Ghana. Before I go that short video on the street of London, I make cow say, "Uko PMU Asante Achimwa, team way, etumiko PMU, ewa Asante Achim." Now, but taya abu ko PMU Asante Achim na say, "Omo kwa ko boa ma nkra esua CDC use computer, na nkra nso akenkan ho yomo di wo nkrase no, esua CDC timi ekenkan na bibia nso etimi ekama. Wherever they are going, wherever they are moving, they move with laptops because some of the villages have na laptop ni or computer ni ho. And ohwe on your screen who say the agro ecom team no etutimi the laptops ko PMU ewo nkrase ho do ma wa Asante Achim as nkra ni access to computer. They taught them the kids how to use computer properly. Ni omo ni wo computer ho bia na sisi wo manim. Obi emiamia so na obi a ensua enye no kwase na me ka cho no the Otumfuo agro ecom also teaches kids on how to read appropriately and techniques in reading. Now these are the teams so mko PMO Asante Achim mko di 2 weeks ewo Asante Achim na enye eno nkwa Mr. Seth Hammond the administrative manager for Otumfuo Foundation on also say other side of the team no encouraging to mobile Asante Achim. Let's show them how to deal with computers, learn computers, type computers, technically, about IT, omehunu dia ono dia. Enye no ntino ba Asante Achim. Wo de omo nkyere nkra na saa de the techniques in even reading no dia. Ekuafo ntino ba. Oni ekuafo ni hia a beautiful lecture etimi ekọ. So during the lectures no, na say ekuafo no many age papa yi. Ni nyina say ekuafo no techniques they will need in terms of farming no. Na etimi abo na bibia so etimi aye come. The second aspect of the meeting with the farmers also to teach them how to generate massive income as farmers. Sika sem dey do when I say ja. Ye nananom, ye ofanom. Ha ye papa no ye ma menum ekuafo no. O mani agem say Otumfuo wa boa ye papa. Techniques are there by there and how to generate massive income. It will help us very much. These are some of the updates ewo Asante Achim from serious so ko piemu ewo kukuom. Nipa 663 mo se ho atochema and Otumfuo Smile Dental Outreach omunso timi koye ema kroma no ai na se normally do ha Otumfuo obo adwuma from Sereso to kukuom the same district though nipa 663 and almost na ehwo atochema Otumfuo itimi bo adults and the children were able to enjoy this quality treatment me kawo se enra I am panada da akotokone has STMC. I back here video no. Na make out say video ni we are highlight the course. So the democracy camp Asante Kotoko etimi eji free House of Folk and so ensem no. You back here that highlight before. Yenko here Athenaeum Pama Otumfuo hosted to a private dinner. Abra my penny dada John Kuffour STMC copy. Me go that short video and after that Asante Kotoko and it has beautiful matter course and run highlights of it.
welcome to the Accra Sports Stadium. The much-awaited game is finally here. It's the Democracy Cup 2024. I've seen the Chief Justice, and I've also seen the Chairperson of the Electoral Commission of Ghana here. That's awesome. That's the kickoff. The Chief Justice to the EC Chair, to the Sports Minister, and that's the kickoff. The ceremonial one before the game. There we go. Cheba 4 gets us going. Here is Emmanuel Entry. Long ball in. Kosa heads it down. Is the first throw-in of the evening to Ewa Mensah. Hands possession to Amponsa. It's a good ball, but the flag is up against the free air. Asamoah offside.
So from very, very deep with the inside of his foot, and that is a bit questionable. That's a bit questionable.
It should be Entry. It is Entry. And he misses by inches. It's a goal kick. Entry, brilliant stuff. Aqua goes past Ewa Mensah. He goes down in the box. Penalty for Kotoko. Kotoko gets the penalty.
And we have the benefit of the replay again. Just look at that. Ewa Mensah. It was first a dummy, and then just look at that. It's
Blade takes a deep breath. Blade makes a step. Justice Blade! Kotoko lead the Phobians by Justice Blade's penalty. In the 31st minute, it's Hasabok 0, Asante Kotoko 1 in the 2024 Democracy Cup at the Accra Sports Stadium.
Yeah, they wouldn't care. It was a good penalty. Senti gets you the wrong way, and that tells you the grit he possesses, the level of composure of Justice Blade. You rightly mentioned history was beckoning, and he did justice from 12 yards.
That's a well-taken penalty. He took the step, made a stop, and then went to the left side. Keeper had no answers whatsoever.
You always remember the narrative. Every penalty that scores is a good penalty.
I remember that. The refereeing decisions, that's the kickoff for second half.
It was just that penalty that separated both sides after the first 45 that I fails to win. He always puts up some, outstanding performances, Michael Ampedu.
Chance. It should have been 2 for the Porcupines. That was a big one.
That was a close one by Ketia, intervening for Heart of Oak.
Up to Hamza, down the left side. He finds Dennis Kosa, and Kosa swings in a cross. Asari fails to deal with it, and the Phobians have the equalizer. But you are thinking, was the goalkeeper impeded? Was the Kotoko goalkeeper fouled? Should it have been a foul?
Indicates that the goal has been taken, but yeah, there was clear impeding over there. Just look at that. Yes, and we've spoken about the fact that Heart of Oak were going to send in some long balls, but this time on the goalkeeper, no protection at all. No protection. No protection at all. But Asamoah,
the new boy will not care.
He wouldn't.
He's got his debut goal for the Phobians. Here is Asante Kotoko Bernard Samoa. That was close. It's a goal kick.
Again.
And he's almost getting it spot on. But here is Samoa trying to find Cheba 4, but Esibe steps up. He gives it away. Overconfidence gives Kotoko the advantage. Cheba 4. Here is Amidu Aqua. He shoots. And Kotoko have the second goal. Peter, Amidu, Aqua. 2 goals for Kotoko. 1 for Hasabok. It's a goal. Hearts 1, Kotoko 2.
That's from Sarah so to a Kukumway, and Otumfuo Timi Emma, a year or my man, and so Emma be at me course. Nipple sense that way, let me receive a quality treatment. I will almost say, and so Asante Achim and Kenya access to computers and also techniques in reading, be answers me a camera, and so that aspect. And also, Asante Achim on my farmers were able to enjoy lectures, a bit me a more power, mainly to receive and how to generate a massive income. Munoka say the share papa. and of course private dinner no enye just a dinner na mum no mapa bia eno ho nkomo me de bebre wachi eno Otumfuo etu ho ana mo he no ma we a wo nyina wa be sure se me nkan to share this video obi nso hu de Otumfuo Ghana. Me no be nkra me de ken in case of any agency be at the comment section e biem wo akonya so share wadwen enso e wo comment section as don't forget to share this video, like this video, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell and choose all notification icon. Share now we be nso hu Otumfuo no mapa yeah ma Asante man in Ghana so what Ghana say when Ghana adwuma koso bakra
Unga Kenny, I no any medada. No one come to a be, who hear me pa, Sana me a sure so said, who be here once. A tia will be pet, it's Mamma America crabby. The eddy kind, better will be a say, I was so a K1ng Ghana, I was so me, especially on a TikTok. I mean, don't want casa on one or don't and then I'm over 100,000. That is 10% of 1 million people. Even if it's a gusompo and a follow ye, and I'm DH, away TikTok. So do you answer na muyi chame away Facebook. And the person moving, I just ready and one fast for anything. I feel maybe a YouTube account, a monopa, the content a woman couldn't do baby. I feel near neighbor. There are a lot of beautiful packages I did break Ghana for. One money medium when him said the museum, and unti see before when it video be a baby. And intimate share what dear Baco per se. Yet here we should have for hey, a YouTube hey. My rent fee said, let's subscribe to channel way amame. I'm when him said the museum video in the sophomore. Be any home. Where we should go for I yet in YouTube head channel ya bofra. I feel a woody. Let's share what said. The coming when you had the ends on Kahon. Said the Mabwa and the TikTok. The winning part of almost 10% of over 1 million people they follow your TikTok. I'm an so a be chirame away Facebook. Who subscribe channel with so mommy. They won't be here and say, who subscribe you? I'm my real officer. Don't man that subscription in China. But the ones have a boss. No what you so all. When you said details and then the credit in Africa near their bremo. It be a so high. You to pay. Say that be our baby kind. Now on Saka video be the baby entin. Let's ask you say. Who subscribe you here? I'm my real officer. Say. But the ones have a boy. Don't man that subscription in China. No what you so all. You never see how we. Brother become when you way so and can ya dada no within the ken the cultural content I dey be go YouTube ha no I'm not dancing the munim dada no afi na afi ye bebe radio mu dro no ye sure so when me say me dey meye ma ko hwe no kura no afi tifini apiwe ni anafo abro odo an wo ma wonti mun ya ken ni subscribe on sabo adoma no choose you all afi share video yi e mani padodo bebre na won so nya bi hwe ni mu say manu asi we dey can subscribe kura dada e dey sabo adoma no so e choose you all no within the ken no e dey kra e be say share on our next video.
K1ng oh boy Juma we did Jacob so now see commentary or social media no style of blogging fantastic so you see commentary no news in the bar so you see commentary for home we so good keep on going
and the style also the ebema other tribe aflow unyi sorted India terminate that's how becano it's so painful I know shit I don't know say I'll commentary like or you as a presenter sports presenter that they are and we need maybe a local strength free debate. It's all good. Oh yeah, the K1ng modern K1ng will try